One UI 7 update, which countries are getting it first. In this video you'll find a full list of countries and all the details on Samsung's upcoming One UI 7 update. If you'd like to support the channel, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and stay tuned until the end of the video. So, what's the scoop on this update? Samsung is expected to release the beta version of One UI 7 soon, giving users a first look at the latest Android system and One UI features before the official release. As always, Samsung will follow its usual routine of testing eligible devices through the beta program. Galaxy S24, Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Z Fold 6 users will be among the first to try it out, along with flagship phones from 2022 and 2023. Some mid-range models might even join the beta program later on. Countries likely to get One UI 7 beta first. While there's no official announcement yet on which countries will get the beta as of October 23, past programs give us some solid clues. Likely countries include China, Germany, India, Korea, Poland, United States, and United Kingdom. Typically, Samsung releases the One UI beta in waves, with countries like Germany, Korea, and the US often being first in line. Other countries, including some in the Arab region, may need to wait a week or two. Will Samsung bring the update to other countries? Samsung generally sticks to a familiar list of countries for its initial public beta releases, so you probably won't see big changes there. That said, One UI 7 promises a substantial refresh, and that's likely why Samsung has postponed the stable release until 2025 instead of this year. Because of this, they might take a different approach with this particular beta. What feature are you most excited to see in this update? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to support the channel. Catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. There are more tutorials waiting for you on the Top Mac 4 channel. Don't hesitate to subscribe and become part of the family.